You've probably seen it. Without purpose-built software, challenges with wiring and cables during the design that required several iterations to finish the project. Electrical engineers want to have the same great capability as the mechanical engineers do with SolidWorks. Did you know that SolidWorks also does electrical schematics? Let's see how integrated libraries, intelligent schematics, 2D cabinet design, and reports will create more than just pretty pictures. Integrated libraries represent real parts from many manufacturer suppliers, so you can use these components with part numbers and properties that attach to schematic symbols and will carry these properties throughout the entire design process. These integrated libraries will save you time in researching and entering part numbers and properties manually, a task that is time-consuming and error-prone. SolidWorks Electrical Schematic produces professional drawings. However, they are not just good-looking. They have all the necessary intelligent information for parts and wires for creating reports and integration with SolidWorks. After perfecting a circuit, you can reuse this information in the design or in the next project, saving time from recreating the same information over and over. You don't need to guess about the appearance of the electrical cabinet. In SolidWorks Electrical, you can create a 2D layout of the cabinet schematic using part information and a 2D outline of the part. No need to imagine the cabinet layout or guess if you have enough space for the equipment selected. Using tables and spreadsheets for creating reports for wires and bill of materials is not efficient. In SolidWorks Electrical, reports are generated automatically based on integrated library parts information, wires, and cables. Creating a change becomes a breeze, and the software will auto-update all reports automatically. No more manual manipulation of data. SolidWorks Electrical Schematic does more than just pretty pictures. It's purpose-built software that has all the tools to improve design time creating wires, cables, and harnesses with all reports, drawings, and other manufacturing information, error-free and integrated into the SolidWorks ecosystem. Contact your value-added reseller for more information.